For proper functioning, a marketing team requires access to the following tools. Email campaign, in order to connect with prospects and customers and bring in traffic to your offer pages. Ads, in order to create ad campaigns and reach out to your target audience and convert them to visitors on your offer pages. Landing page, in order to create the offer pages you need for email and ad campaigns. Live chat tool, in order to instantly engage with visitors. Form tool, to capture the lead information quickly and secure it safely. CRM integration, to store the leads captured in a secure database which is easy to access. Your marketing team also requires access to A/B testing to quickly run live experiments and choose the winner among different versions of landing page. Also to payments, in order to quickly capture payment from the prospect and convert visitors into deals. And also they would need access to reporting in order to build reports based on the tools we just talked about now. These reports should be comprehensive enough for quick understanding and sharing. Now, how great would it be if I told you that you don't need to worry about all of these separate tools and you need to buy just one thing which can take care of all of these things? Introducing HubSpot's Marketing Hub. With the Marketing Hub license, you get access to all the tools your marketing engine needs under a single umbrella, which makes the functioning of the marketing team friction-free. With built-in automation enabled via workflows, you can automate all of the repetitive tasks and maximize the potential of your marketing team and get maximum ROI on your Marketing Hub purchase. But you might ask, how is it so different? With Marketing Hub, you get access to email management, social media management, CRM integration, lead generation, analytics, landing pages, automation, user-friendly interface, streamline workflows, extensive ecosystem, and much more. And then you might ask, how much does it cost? You tell us, how much is a qualified lead worth it to you? If one qualified lead can lead to a month of revenue, then the cost per prospect is something that you will love if you don't like wasting your marketing dollars. For example, for just $800, you get access to 2,000 marketing contacts, and every one of these contacts represents a potential deal which could rake in a lot of money, if you really ask me. All of these prospects symbolize huge revenue streams just waiting to be tapped into. So what are you waiting for? Get started today.